Imagine being able to create videos like this one right here. And this one.
I am happy to be alive. I have peace.
And even this one, using your own face. Now tell me, how does that look to you? Because today, I'm going to show you exactly how I made every single one of those videos. And the site I used has Seedance 2.0 Pro and HappyHorse 1.0 built right inside it. I'm going to walk you through everything step by step and show you every little detail along the way. And if this is your first time on our channel, AI Builders Academy, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. But before anything else, let me first show you how to get free credits, and then I'll show you exactly how I made those videos. Because by the time this video is over, you are going to thank me. Let's get into it right now. So first things first, go ahead and click my link in the description. When you click it, you'll land directly on the platform. Or if you want, you can open your browser and search Seegen AI, and you'll land on a page that looks exactly like this. Now, since this is your first time creating an account on this platform called Seegen AI, you're going to click right here where it says Start for Free. Click Start for Free to create your account. After clicking that, you'll land on a new page that says Create an Account. Now, what do you do here? You click Continue with Google, because this option creates your account instantly without you having to type any password or go through any complicated steps. It connects directly using your Google email, and your account is ready immediately. No problem at all. Now, after creating your account, you'll notice you have 0 credits. But don't worry at all, because here's what you do. You'll see a button right here that says plus 200 credits. Click on it. After clicking, it shows you a page that says claim your free credits. And right there it says join Discord and claim 200 credits. So you click on join Discord and claim 200 credits. After clicking that, it takes you to the Discord page, and it's going to ask you for your email or phone number and your password to log in. But maybe you forgot your password. No problem at all. Here's what you can do instead. You can log in using a QR code from your phone. Let me show you exactly how to do it. Open the Discord app on your smartphone. After opening it, tap on your profile icon at the bottom. That's the You page. After tapping on it, go up to the top and tap on Settings. After tapping Settings, scroll down until you find Scan QR Code. Tap on Scan QR Code. Now, if it's your first time doing this, your phone will ask, allow this app to take pictures and record video. You can choose while using the app and then start scanning. And just like that, it's done. So after scanning from your phone, go back to your laptop or computer. Your phone will show you a message saying, you are in, which means you have successfully logged in by scanning the QR code. Now, back on your laptop, scroll down and click Authorize. After clicking Authorize, done. You can now see that your account has successfully received the 200 free credits. I've already shown you exactly how to claim them. Now, I personally have my own account where I pay for this platform because I use it every single day to create content for my YouTube channel. And as you can see, I've created videos that have gotten a lot of views. But don't worry, I'm going to show you everything you need, even on the free plan. All right, so after landing on the platform, you'll see 2 options right away, image and video. Today, we are creating a video. So go ahead and click on Video. Now click on Model, and it will show you 3 options: Seedance 2 Pro, Seedance 2 Fast, and HappyHorse 1.0. These are the models available on this platform. For now, let me select Seedance 2 Pro. That's the one I'm going with. After selecting it, click here, and you'll see the different modes you can work with: multi-layer image to video, text to video, first and last frame. You can choose whichever one fits what you want to create, but right now I'm going to start with image to video. After selecting image to video, the next thing you'll see is aspect ratio. Your options are 1:1, 3:4, 4:3, 16:9, 9:16, and 21:9. Now, 21:9 is for cinematic style videos, but since I'm a YouTuber, I always choose 16:9 because that's the best ratio for YouTube videos. Next, go to duration. You can create a video up to 15 seconds long. That means you can create multiple scenes and build them into a complete video. Then for quality, you can choose 720p, 1080p, 2K, or even 4K. Now, if you're on the free plan and you want to save your credits, I'd recommend going with 720p. That way you use fewer credits per video. But since I'm on the Pro account, I'm going to go ahead and choose 1080p. After that, you can choose how many videos to generate at once: 1, 2, or 4 videos at the same time. More videos at once means more credits used. For now, let me generate 1 video at a time, no problem. So after setting everything up, let me set the duration to 5 seconds and then click Add to upload your photo. After clicking Add, you'll see your files. To upload your own photo, click Upload File and select the photo from your desktop. I'm going to choose this one right here. Click on it. Now here's where the magic happens. You need to write your prompt. Tell the platform exactly what you want it to do with your photo. For example, I wrote, I want you to turn this photo of me into a video, making it look like I'm deeply thinking, as if I'm in a series, with a calm and cinematic style. After writing your prompt, click Generate. It's going to take a few minutes to process. Just wait and watch what this platform creates. And there it is. Go ahead and watch that video. Now tell me in the comments, what do you see? What do you think about that video? Give me your feedback. What do you like about it? That's how I turned my own photo into a cinematic video using this platform. And you can click right here to download it. Now let's move on to the next method, text to video. After clicking on text to video, let me set the duration to 15 seconds this time. Click on it, 15 seconds. Now here's the secret that will make your videos look completely professional. And I want you to pay close attention to this part. You have two options. You can use ChatGPT or you can use Claude AI. But if you want a better prompt, a truly professional, detailed, high-quality prompt, use Claude AI. It is the best. It is better than ChatGPT when it comes to writing prompts. Trust me on this one. So open your browser, I use Google Chrome, and search for Claude AI. Click on the first result. Now here's what I asked Claude AI. I typed, I want you to create a video prompt of a person walking late at night, suddenly hearing noises ahead, then stopping in fear and getting startled. Then I clicked Generate. And make sure you're using Claude Sonnet 4.6. That's the model I always use. After Claude generates your prompt, and trust me, Claude can write prompts at a level that would take you an hour to write yourself. Click Copy Full Prompt. Come back to your Seegen AI platform. Paste your prompt right here in the input box and click Generate. Wait a few minutes and done. Watch what it created for me right now. How does that make you feel watching that? Tell me in the comments, because I personally love creating videos like this. Atmospheric, cinematic, the kind of video that pulls people in and makes them feel something. Even horror-style videos that give people that feeling of suspense and fear. Now, let me go back to Claude AI one more time. This time I typed, I want you to create a video of an old man and an old woman in love, sitting together, looking at each other and laughing, while children play happily around them. Then the old man says, I am happy to be alive. I have peace. Click Generate, and Claude AI will instantly create a detailed professional prompt based on the instructions we've provided. Once the prompt is ready, click Copy Full Prompt. Then head back to Seegen AI. Paste the generated prompt into the prompt box and click Generate. After a few seconds, Seegen AI will process everything and produce a high-quality result for you automatically. And the video is done. Watch it.
I am happy to be alive. I have peace.
Now tell me in the comments, how does that video make you feel? Do you love it? Does it touch your heart? Because that's the kind of content this platform can create. Emotional, cinematic, powerful storytelling. Now, one more thing I want to show you before we finish. When you click on API right here, you can see all the available plans. If you want to use this platform like a professional content creator every single day, this is where you come to choose your plan. You can see exactly what each plan offers and how many credits you get. If you want to go pro, you can check it out right here. But if you want to stay on the free plan, no problem at all. You can still use Seedance 2, Fast, and HappyHorse 1.0. Those are the models that use fewer credits, so your free credits will go much further. And that is everything for today's video. If this helped you, please hit subscribe, drop a like, and comment done the moment you finish creating your first video on Seegen AI. I read every single comment, and I genuinely want to see what you create. Every link I mentioned, including Seegen AI and everything else, is in the description and the pinned comment below. I love you all, every single one of my viewers. I'll see you in the next one. Let's keep building.